What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Today is move day. We are moving stuff. I already got some stuff over here from the last place. We're about to go pick up the big 26-foot U-Haul, and I think we'll grab my little trailer as well, and start grabbing everything from the storage unit. Probably take a trip. Now that I got the trailer, probably just do one trip, possibly two, but we'll see. Long day ahead. We were up till 3 o'clock last night and moving stuff into the house. Super excited. I'll show you more later, but let's go get this truck and get stuff loaded up. Octane's loving it. You like the new place, bud? You like the new place? Yes. I missed it. I didn't get it.
Oh, you didn't get it?
I didn't get it. All right, turn off for a second. I want to get your reaction of the storage unit.
Are you serious?
Yeah, press pause real quick, because it's copyright.
Come on. Open it up. Open it up.
No, you come here.
Open it up.
Come here. I gotta get your reaction. Okay, so last time you were here, we only had about...
There was nothing in here.
No, we put the apartment stuff in here, so it was about the first 10 feet was back. The couch,
dresser,
the king size, some stuff. Okay.
Barbecue.
What just happened? They came off the track. No. Yeah, you weren't even recording, but we got the door figured out. So, yeah.
What the fuck?
A little bit more than what and it got a little messy, but alright. Whatever. We're gonna work on getting this whole truck loaded up now, and we'll see you when this thing's empty. Alright, so as you can see, the storage unit is completely empty. That took some time. Whew, I'm a little sweaty. This 26-footer is completely full. Homie over here helped out a lot and got the trailer all packed up with a lot of lawn stuff and tools and tile saws, drop saws, dip saws, ladders, all kinds of random stuff. But this is completely full. That's completely full. Got the storage unit all emptied out. So now we're gonna hook up the trailer real quick and get home and unload all this stuff. So let's do it.
Damn, that's perfect. That's money right there.
It's completely empty. Got the trailer hooked up, ready to go. Let's get out of here and on the road. We got a long drive and it's gonna be a long night. It's 4:03 right now. And we still gotta unpack this whole thing and figure out where it's all gonna go. We got plenty of space for it, which you'll see, but it's still gonna be an interesting night. Let's hit the road. So it's the second day. We just ran to Home Depot with the big truck to grab her a nice little trough and some soil so that way she can put all of her new plants. And something, you excited?
Yeah.
You're whited out so they can't really see you. Then I also had to pick up some lumber. This is $100 in lumber here. This 1 2x4 is 25 bucks. So, little tiny fence project. Not such tiny cost anymore. Yeah, it's, I still can't believe that. But let's get this unloaded and get this stuff taken care of. So there's our big trough that we're using as a raised flower bed, and just got a full of 4 bags of milk grow. So a little bit time later, I got the fence done, as you can see. Nice. I'm gonna end up making an 8-foot fence, so it'll be a little bit taller, so that way when I'm standing up here, you don't see out there. went ahead and got the yard mowed and went up there and put those lights in, which she wasn't too happy about because of pretty steep A-frame, but got that motion light changed out, even though she was freaked out about it. Got the yard mowed. You can see Octane playing on it. She got some of the plants in, what we got so far. Unfortunately, Home Depot and Lowe's didn't have much, so we're gonna probably go into Portland tomorrow and
show them what I planted.
Get some more. But why don't you just tell them real quick?
So we have romaine lettuce. We have green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and then serrano chilies and cilantro because Mexican food is life. There you go.
But Milwaukee headlamp, best thing in the world. I use this thing almost every day at work, all the time. Truck's sitting pretty over there.
And I'm just here.
She's just here. She's a little cold, so she threw out my sweatshirt. But we're gonna throw on the Traeger, cook up some hot dogs, I think, and we'll pick back up in the morning and see what we do tomorrow. Guys, so it's the next day. I didn't do much filming today because we've been so busy. I got the Traeger cleaned out and did a bunch of other stuff today. She did some more planting. We got a couple more planting powder things, as you can see here, and a bunch more stuff that she's gonna plant tomorrow. But I was cleaning out the cat box, and then I came outside, and I saw a slug, and then she saw a snail. Sure. And then we came over here, and turn on my light here. There are literally worms everywhere.
Look at that. And they're fat. Look at that one right there.
Fat. Look at that. You can see them on camera.
Right here, right here.
They're literally everywhere.
This right there. And right there. And right there. Holy shit. Right there. Right there.
Talk about free fish bait, and we're pretty much picking them up and throwing them in the garden. So I'll show you a quick little.
Grab that one over there.
Grab one. You gotta grab them quick though, because if you don't, they'll go back in the hole. Cause yeah, I'll grab this one. See? Oh, see how? Right back in.
Gross. Can't do it. Nope. Okay.
Right back in. Wasn't quick enough. Got him. Let's go.
Don't be mean.
So I'm just taking them. You can see I've already got quite a few in here. Helps out with the garden a lot, but.
Dang, see, you're smashing them.
Probably do a couple more. No, they just flatten out. See?
Oh, weird.
That's what they do. Just thought I would share that with you guys. Let me turn this off. Just thought I'd share that with you guys though. Pretty crazy. Actually, let's see. Second night on the new property. And just mowed the grass yesterday, so we're finally seeing what all goes on here. Super exciting, and that's pretty cool because, like I said, we're throwing them in our garden, and also it'll be a free fish bait when we go fishing. So,
oh, yeah. All
right, guys. So it's the next day. We got Mrs. Never Satisfied over here working on some planting. I actually went ahead and ran to Harbor Freight and got some of the small 1,000-pound per dolly, and threw them under there so that way she can move it with the sun. We're actually trying to figure out where exactly the sun's going to be. But I got some corn to plant today and some other stuff. So when this thing goes down, we're going to end up planting them in these planters we got that'll sit on the curb there.
We're chasing the sun here.
Yes, sun chasers. And then we just ran to Home Depot to get her some hanging flower
for the front porch.
Pots for the front porch. Just took the truck out. Really needs a bath. You need a bath. And then also I picked up some shelving for the garage because I got a lot of stuff to figure out where it's all gonna go and get it organized. So get that unloaded and I'll probably show you guys setting it up in the garage and everything, getting all loaded up. And then I'll fill you in with what we do today. Gonna also work on getting the security system all set up and everything. So that way I don't have to worry about that when I leave for work.
Ew,
I know she'll be good. Octane to see cat poop. That's disgusting, as she gave him a kiss. But I'm gonna get started on some of the stuff and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Maybe we'll get a start the truck here towards the end of the video because I gotta move it back anyways. But nothing crazy going on in this video, just a moving video. Just wanted to kind of let you guys know what's going on and keep you updated. So I got my shelf pulled out of the truck here. I'm gonna get to unboxing it and start putting it together. Got a nice little area cleaned out of the shop here. Still a lot of stuff to organize, as you can see. But gonna set up right here and start getting some of this stuff organized onto the shelf and then see how much room I have left over to see if I can fit another one here or not and have enough space left over to still store stuff in the corner over there and get to that cabinet. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do over here yet, but we'll see how everything goes and how everything lays out. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just got the whole shelf put together. Super simple. I ended up screwing around with it a little bit because I wanted to adjust a little bit of shelf. So I knew I was going to want to put some taller stuff on the bottom, but still be able to put some stuff below it. As you can see there, I'll still have enough room, so that'll be nice. And it fit underneath the garage door, which is awesome. So I'll still be able to open that up without having problems and put stuff up here and have a decent amount of space as well. So it's the next day. I'm not sure exactly where I left off last night. I already put the shelf together, but today we got the rest of the plants planted. I got some corn planted, which I'm pretty excited about. I'm gonna have to get another one thrown here. But she's got some broccoli over here she just planted. Spinach, and then chives, which I'm super excited about, and they smell amazing. So, little garden come together. All thanks to her. So the day's coming to an end. I think this is like day 2 or 3 of the video, so I'm gonna wrap it up. I've been doing a lot of unpacking. I've been trying to work on getting the garage organized, which is gonna take a lot more time than I expected. So I might not get to working on the truck as soon as I expected. I wanted to get be able to pump out videos soon, like the next week, but I don't know if it's gonna happen right away because I have still a lot of unpacking to do. A lot more crap than I realized because it was all in storage.
A lot. Too much.
So a lot of tools to figure out where everything's gonna go and unbox, because I have just totes full of drywall stuff, plumbing stuff, electrical stuff, fencing stuff, roofing, decking, doors, windows type stuff. So all that stuff I have to go through and unbox it and find a home for. But anyways, before we wrap this video up, I wanted to at least give you some truck content. So let's do a little cold start and I don't know, give you maybe some revs or something for a second. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below, hit that subscribe button, drop comments down below if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you. And make sure to turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any videos that we're gonna post coming up. A lot of truck content coming soon, I promise you that. Like I said, I just gotta get moved in here and then we'll start doing it. I'm not gonna tell you what I got coming. I got a lot of stuff coming. I'm gonna end up down.
You just said you weren't gonna tell them.
Well, I'm not gonna tell them too much.
Don't tell them at all.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you anything. Let's just start this thing up, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, well, at least you guys got some truck content. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next upload. How's moving been so far?
Exhausting.
Yeah.
But worth it.
Yeah, definitely worth it, but I don't want to move for a while. Is that okay?
I'm completely.
I think we're going to be stuck here for a little bit because I honestly don't want to move. And if we do move again, we're hiring someone to move our stuff because I'm not moving all my stuff again. I'm just leaving it all here because I don't want. Yeah, this is what I deal with when I try to film at the new place. Anytime I'm out here trying to film, he just comes up and jumps up on me or distracts.
It's like he knows.
Yeah, it's like he knows, and he's like, oh, no, you're not going to film. No, you're going to give me love instead. So my outros now take 20 minutes and about 300 takes.
Okay.
A lot of truck oh my God.
I guess I smelled it.
That's gross.
God, okay.
So you need a nickname is Shoptane. Shoptane.
He's like, you're gonna open this door?
You gonna help me? As if I didn't have enough trash removing already, here's more to add to it. As Octane distracts us here, we're finishing. Oh my God. Not much exciting has gone on today as I get interrupted again by Octane. He loves to do this when I try to record.
Sorry. You're so distracting.
Listen.